Now, I've been using Zwift a lot for cross-training this winter, and being a long-time Garmin user, I wanted to make sure that my Garmin and Zwift activities were synced across the two platforms seamlessly. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Garmin watch to the Zwift app and then sync your Garmin Connect and Zwift activities automatically. Okay, so step number one to connect your Garmin watch to the Zwift app is firstly to make sure you're broadcasting your heart rate from your Garmin watch. And I'll paste a link in the description to Garmin's website, which shows you all the Garmin watches that broadcast heart rate data externally. Most of their wearables can do this. And I'll be using my Garmin Forerunner 970 as an example. Now, there's two ways of broadcasting heart rate data. The first method is quite easy, and it involves going into the settings of your Garmin watch, then heading into the health and wellness settings, wrist heart rate settings, and scrolling down, you've got the broadcast heart rate option here. And here you need to press the activity start button where the heart icon is, and the screen turns red, indicating that the watch is broadcasting your heart rate externally live. Now, my Forerunner 970 can broadcast it using Bluetooth and ANT+, and you might have both or either options depending on your specific model. Now, head over to the Zwift app and click on the heart rate option here to pair your Garmin watch. And your Garmin watch should appear in this list after a few seconds, along with your Garmin watch screen showing the device that it's connected to. Now, if you're running indoors on a treadmill during winter, Zwift will automatically pick up your watch as the cadence and speed sensor as well. Now, just keep in mind that this method only broadcasts your heart rate data from your Garmin watch externally. And if you really wanted to record your activity on the Garmin watch, you have to start that separately in addition to starting it on Zwift. But the second method is what I normally follow and recommend to everyone, which is to record your indoor ride or run on your Garmin watch in addition to being recorded on Zwift, just as insurance in that worst case event when your Zwift app crashes or your device battery runs out. So your indoor activity is still recorded on your Garmin watch. And there's a really easy way to broadcast your heart rate from within an indoor ride or treadmill run from your Garmin watch. And to do this, just head over to, say, an indoor bike ride on your watch, scroll down and go into the bike indoor settings and scroll further down till you see the broadcast heart rate option. Turn this on and select yes when you get this message. Now you can start your activity on your Garmin whilst broadcasting it directly to an external app at the same time. And when you're done with your Zwift ride or run, simply save your activity on the Zwift app itself, and you can choose to discard the activity from your Garmin watch to avoid duplication. Trust me, this is the most reliable option to have your indoor activity recorded no matter what happens to the Zwift app, which has crashed on me once after a really long ride, which was super frustrating. Okay, so the next step is to link up your Garmin Connect app to the Zwift app to make sure that all of your Zwift activities are automatically synced back to Garmin Connect, along with all of the technical data like cadence, elevation, power, heart rate, and so on. Now, to do this, you need to make sure you've got the Zwift companion app downloaded on your phone or tablet, which is the blue logo here, separate to the main Zwift app in orange. Now, open up the Zwift companion app, press the menu button in the top left corner of the home page, then go to settings, connections, and here you can see all of the third-party connections you can make with Zwift. There's Strava, Trading Peaks, Wahoo, Garmin, etc. Now, to sync with Garmin Connect, click on the orange plus button here. You'll then get a pop-up to log into Garmin Connect. Once you've logged in, you'll get these options to pick and choose what data you'd like Garmin to share with Zwift, including older activities from Garmin syncing to Zwift's app, and the other way around as well, syncing your Zwift activities to Garmin. I personally just leave everything on here and hit save. You'll get this final consent form about the connection you're making. Press agree and you'll come back to this Zwift companion page, and the orange button will soon turn into this gray checkbox, which means the Zwift app is now connected to Garmin Connect. You'll also see this at the end of your ride or run, where Zwift will show where it's going to upload your Zwift ride or run. In my case, it's on Garmin, Strava, and my Wahoo app. Just give the Zwift app a minute or two after you finish your activity for it to successfully sync it to Garmin Connect. And the amazing thing about this connection is that on the Zwift app, you can see all of your previous Garmin Connect activities, even if they were outdoor activities not recorded using the Zwift app. So there you go, folks. That's how you can connect your Garmin watch to the Zwift app and make sure that your activities are synchronized across the two platforms. Now, if you're a new viewer, don't be shy from pressing the subscribe button, especially if you don't want to miss out on my upcoming reviews as well as tutorials. See you in the next one.